D2 series. Update and view airport information. This video uses D2 Delta PX as a demonstration. Sign in account. Connect your watch with a computer. Open Garmin Express. Choose your device. Select Go to Flight Garmin. You will see Flight Garmin's website. Sign in your Garmin account. Sign in successfully. Notice, if you are unable to sign in, your account is not a global Garmin account. Select Create one to create a new account. Add device. After you sign in, select Devices. Add device. Select your device version. Select D2 Delta PX Asia for Asia version, D2 Delta PX for non-Asia version. You may add your device automatically by installing Flight Garmin desktop app. Select Install Flight Garmin desktop app. Select your computer system for installation. After installation, select Launch Flight Garmin Desktop. Open Flight Garmin for Windows. If your browser doesn't pop out Open Flight Garmin notifications, we recommend you to either use Chrome or the newest IE. You may see Flight Garmin Desktop application and select Continue to begin. Confirm your device unit ID and select Add Device. Your device is added successfully. You can also add your device manually by clicking Manually. You can enter your device unit ID in here. By going to Settings, About on your device, you may view the 10-digit number of unit ID. Update process. Select the arrow icon on the right of Ready to Install. Select Install Updates to update. Select the cycle. Update expired databases. Only update the outdated airport information. Reinstall all databases. Update all the airport information. If you have not installed the Flight Garmin desktop app, select Download Flight Garmin Desktop. If you already installed the app, select Launch Flight Garmin Desktop. Open Flight Garmin for Windows. Select Continue. Accept. The airport information will be updated automatically on your device. Update complete. Delete registered device. Add device can only register one Garmin account. If you want to change the user, you need to delete the registered device from the original account. By doing it, you may register a new account on the device. To delete the registered device, please email your device unit ID and account to avionics.asia@garmin.com in English. Example, please help delete the D2 Delta PX device with unit ID on this account. View airport information. The airport information will display when the device is activated.